Hai teman-teman, aku mau perkenalkan lagi ini satu obat yang aku konsumsi buat sekarang ini. Kemarin kan aku sudah coba Cellfood, jadi aku mau tambahkan lagi sama vitamin yang ini. Namanya Sun Chlorella, diproduksi oleh CNI. Jadi CNI ini kalian boleh search sendiri, ini tuh produsen herbal terbaik dan udah teruji puluhan tahun produk-produknya. Untuk ukuran produk Sun Chlorella, yang pertama itu ada kemasan 150 tablet, yang kedua kemasan 130 tablet, yang ketiga kemasan ukuran 1500 tablet, dan yang keempat kemasan dengan Sun Chlorella berbentuk cair. Cara konsumsi Sun Chlorella ini yang bentuk tablet, untuk anak-anak 5-10 tablet per hari, untuk dewasa 10-20 tablet per hari. Nah, kalau misalnya dimakan untuk 3 kali sehari, biasanya kayak aku tuh makan 5 tablet di pagi, 5 tablet di siang, dan 5 tablet di malam. Sedangkan untuk Sun Chlorella yang berbentuk cair ini, saran konsumsinya itu 15 ml sampai 30 ml per hari. Untuk memastikan pembelian produk Sun Chlorella yang asli, aku sudah letakin link di kolom description untuk kalian bisa beli produk Sun Chlorella ini. Ini adalah link resmi dan saat kalian beli, ini kalian bisa langsung dikirimkan ke alamat kalian masing-masing. Yang terakhir, yang mungkin jadi pertanyaan teman-teman semua, kenapa aku memilih untuk konsumsi Sun Chlorella ini? Pertama, aku mau tunjukin ke kita semua, ini dia video pengenalan Sun Chlorella dari PT CNI.
As a company, Sun Chlorella Corporation has always advocated one basic message: to spread good health and well-being throughout the world. This mission statement is born from the founder's story of personal transformation and healing. Hideo Nakayama, a successful Kyoto businessman, was suffering from post-World War II conditions that led to a host of serious health complications, including gout and stomach cancer. Only 51 years old, doctors gave him just a few years to live. Devastated by his prognosis, Mr. Nakayama had almost succumbed to his conditions until a friend introduced him to chlorella. He consumed it regularly, and in just a few months, his conditions receded and he transcended his terminal prognosis. As a newfound health advocate, Mr. Nakayama dedicated his life and resources to spreading the word about chlorella's amazing healing properties. He led an active and healthy lifestyle until his peaceful passing at age 85, leaving behind a legacy of health and healing that helped shape his entire nation's eating habits. Today, Sun Chlorella is an established part of the Japanese diet. Considering other cultural factors such as meditation, exercise, and a deep appreciation of nature, Japan boasts one of the longest living populations of any industrialized country. So what exactly is Sun Chlorella? Simply put, it's nature's perfect superfood. Perfect because it's known to be one of the most complete, highly nutritious, and medicinal green foods on Earth. Sun Chlorella is an isolated strand of a pure, nutrient-dense freshwater algae containing the highest known chlorophyll concentrations of any known food. Since the late 19th century, researchers have considered chlorella to be a highly efficient and sustainable food source. Its unique ability to rapidly replicate with just water and sunlight prompted modern scientists to examine chlorella as a viable option to help solve global crises, such as air and water purification, famine, sustainable energy, and much more. As one of the planet's earliest microscopic plants, it contains the basic building blocks for all subsequent life on Earth. Its genetic code and makeup has survived virtually unchanged and in perfect form for the past 540 million years. One of sun chlorella's most unique nutrients is chlorella growth factor, a rich nucleotide peptide complex of DNA and RNA, ingredients needed to help build, replicate, and repair the body's cells. It boasts all 9 essential amino acids needed for metabolic and biologic functions, a wide spectrum of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, including beta-carotene, lutein, and other carotenoids used to aid the body's natural defense. Essential to vegans and vegetarians, sun chlorella is a proven source of active B12, which helps the body produce energy, facilitates blood formation, DNA synthesis, and other key metabolic functions. Ounce per ounce, it contains more protein than any other known food, more than beef and chicken combined, and is a rich source of a unique and highly bioavailable fiber with powerful detoxifying properties.
Sun chlorella is what I describe as a nutrient-dense food. That is to contrast it from all those foods that provide empty calories. You know, we've been on the warpath against people consuming empty calories like high sugar, high white flour processed foods. And chlorella is very, very nutrient dense. That means that most of the nutrients, or just about all the nutrients it contains, are important for our body and not hurtful and not wasteful.
For generations, health professionals have touted the importance of a nutritious diet. Unfortunately, in today's food culture, we can't always get the proper nutrition our bodies need to stay healthy. In fact, most of us suffer from stress and conditioned habits, such as emotional eating or consuming more readily available processed foods. Commercially grown fruits and vegetables are not much help. Over time, unsustainable farming practices have stripped our soil of its vital minerals and nutrients. Agricultural pesticides are widely considered to be degenerative and toxic, while the effects of genetically modified foods are yet to be understood. From the air we breathe, the food and water we consume, and the stress of our daily lives, our bodies are bombarded with free radicals. Poor eating habits and long-term exposure to these toxins have been directly correlated to disease and terminal conditions. However, awareness is our greatest weapon against these issues. We can live stronger and longer by making well-informed choices. Scientific studies show that when taken regularly, sun chlorella nourishes and fortifies our body's systems with its dense store of nutrients, while naturally removing heavy metals and other toxins right out of the body. It naturally boosts our energy, and its unique cell wall fiber binds to toxins, cleansing the digestive tract as it passes through our system. Sun chlorella also helps keep our body alkaline, balancing the acidic environment in which cancer is thought more likely to develop. As a prebiotic, it helps keep a proper balance of flora and fauna, the good bacteria in the gut, boosting our ability to naturally fight disease and illness. When our bodies are free of toxins, nourished and properly balanced, the load on all our systems is reduced, so we naturally feel better and have more energy. Sun chlorella is made from the purest ingredients. Starting with a single strand of Chlorella pyrenoidosa, it's grown in optimal conditions in pools of pure mineral-rich water. Sunshine fuels photosynthesis, and rapid cell replication creates the tiny plant known as sun chlorella. With its cell wall intact, our bodies cannot fully absorb the plethora of nutrients contained within the chlorella cell. Other chlorella brands use heat or chemicals to break the cell wall, methods proven less effective and damaging to the vital nutrients within. Exclusive to Sun Chlorella, the dynomill process creates harmless variances in pressure, pulverizing the chlorella cell wall, making it and the vital nutrients inside available for our bodies to absorb. The pulverized cell wall also provides a highly bioavailable dietary fiber, giving Sun Chlorella its extraordinary chelating abilities and detoxifying properties.
Sun Chlorella Corporation are very careful about making a very nutritious product. They test every batch, grow it under very careful conditions, maximize the amount of sunlight, a good source of clean water, and then processed in the most ideal way. With the other chlorella products, you may not get that as much a benefit or any benefit at all.
Manufactured under strict GMP standards, ensures customers receive a fresh, long-lasting product with an average shelf life of 3 years, without the use of preservatives or fillers. With over a dozen locations worldwide, Sun Chlorella Corporation leads the way in product innovation, health advocacy, and corporate social responsibility. Whether it's building relationships in local communities or working to feed malnourished nations, the founders' guiding principles continue to fuel the company's mission, advocating health and compassion through the amazing healing properties of Sun Chlorella.
Kalau kalian pernah nonton video aku yang lain, kalian mungkin tahu aku pernah di masa aku struggle banget. Aku pengen masuk ke pekerjaan impian aku, tapi gagal di medical check up, which is aku udah lewati namanya tahapan tes, ujian penalaran, psikotes, dan juga wawancara, itu semua lolos, tapi aku gagal tuh di medical check up. Dan hal terbesar yang aku duga buat aku gagal itu adalah mataku. Cuman aku pun sebenarnya takut bahwa takutnya memang ada kondisi kesehatan tubuh aku yang lain yang kurang prima dan memang aku sakit yang aku nggak tahu. Sehingga aku putuskan untuk minum obat yang meregenerasi sel. Jadi seperti yang pernah dijelaskan sama dokter ke aku, jadi sebenarnya obat yang bisa mengobati mata aku ini dari ulkus tuh kayak udah hampir gak ada lagi gitu. Intinya harus transplant aja supaya bisa itu kabut putihnya itu hilang. Cuman aku masih percaya ada harapan untuk sembuh, jadi aku cari obat-obat yang meregenerasi sel, dimana aku ingat dokternya pernah bilang di mata kita ini ada banyak nadi-nadi, urat-urat darah gitu, jadi aku yakin melalui darah itu bisa disalurkan vitamin-vitamin yang bisa menyembuhkan mata aku juga. Nah, Sun Chlorella ini dijelaskan pertama ke aku tuh bahwa ini bisa meregenerasi seluruh sel di tubuh kita dengan pemakaian yang rutin dan gak ada efek samping sama sekali. Itu kenapa aku sekarang tuh udah rutin minum, bahkan seperti yang kalian lihat aku beli yang 600 tablet. Dan itu harganya lumayan sekitar 600 ribuan gitu kan. Cuman aku lihat bersyukurnya aku punya pendapatan lebih, jadinya aku bisa beli ini, aku bisa afford untuk beli si Sun Chlorella ini untuk aku konsumsi setiap hari. Dan aku bisa bilang sampai sekarang, apalagi kalian tahu ya kondisi Jakarta itu polusinya luar biasa, bahkan aku tuh jarang sakit. Even yang teman-temanku tuh kayak flu gitu. Jadi aku melihat efeknya itu secara keseluruhan di tubuh aku, bukan cuma ke mata aku. Ini sih yang aku pengen bisa bantu teman-teman supaya bisa juga konsumsi Sun Chlorella ini. Boleh banget tanya ke aku informasi tentang gimana cara belinya, ini kandungannya apa aja. untuk meyakinkan teman-teman bahwa ini produk akan bekerja banget di tubuh kita. Kira-kira itu sih yang paling menguatkan aku untuk kenapa aku konsumsi Sun Chlorella ini. Bahkan kalau aku punya rezeki lebih, aku mau coba minum yang Sun Wakasanya, karena itu efeknya itu lebih luar biasa lagi katanya. Dan ini tuh ternyata udah diminum sama banyak orang, tua, muda, anak-anak, untuk segala pengobatan penyakit. Jadi ini memotivasi aku banget bahwa bukan hanya mataku, aku yakin seluruh sel di tubuhku pun akan berfungsi semakin maksimal seperti sebagaimana mestinya. Itu dia dari aku tentang pengenalan Sun Chlorella di video kali ini. Kiranya ini bisa membantu teman-teman. Thank you semua.